it's me, Prettywitty77, and if you are a witty, then welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, what's up? As you can see from the title, it's going down. Slight backstory. About a year ago, I cut like 3 or 4 inches off my hair. I cut a lot of freaking hair. And I'm back because I'm so tired of my hair has grown back. But I'm tired of my hair. I feel like it's lifeless. All of it's the same length. It doesn't frame my face. It don't give me volume. It gives me watered down length. So I'm changing all it. Y'all ready? Let's go. So I just washed and detangled my hair. And now that it's about to go down, I'm nervous. I done watched a couple of videos. And I done took a little bit from here, a little bit from there. I don't even know. I was just watching. It was like on autoplay, so I don't even know the names. But the tips that I use, I'm going to cite the sources in the description box. Step 1, make a part down the center of your head. Step 2, create your desired length guide. Step 3, I think we on step 3. Whatever step we on, create your guide. Now I learned that, you know what I'm saying, from the videos that I watched. So I went ahead and pre-parted some sections in the front. I ain't even trying to make it perfect because I'm not perfect. Why do I want my hair to be perfect? But anyways, this is supposed to be like the length guide. So I'm really about to cut all of this hair off because it grows back. Now they done told me don't cut too much because you can always go back and cut more, but you can't like paste your hair back on. Am I gonna listen to it? No. I'm not even mad. It needed to be so much shorter. So at this moment, we're about to gather in prayer. Dear hair gods, please don't let me get too scissor happy because you already know what happens when I do. I end up being a bald head. So the next step is to match up the rest of the hair with the piece that I cut in the middle to guide it. To be honest, where is it? How it look? Y'all like, we don't know? No, I see a slight little like, stop playing with me. Where is the guide? Guide me. It's not as easy as it looks in the videos. Let me just say that. I feel like this side is longer than this side, but this side normally shrinks more when it's dry, so I feel like it's okay. It might, like, it's hanging more than this side is hanging, but don't be fooled. I know my hair. So the next step is to actually section off a small piece of this hair to be my guide for the next section. Where's the guide? No, that's like my biggest fear, that my guide gets like swallowed and I don't have the hair to, like, you know, be the determining factor because I got so much hair. Like, how do the girls do this? Look at this. Yo, this is a lot of freaking hair to cut. It's a lot. Look how long that is. Kind of having second thoughts. Like, is that too much? So basically what you can see, the name of the game is basically sectioning and basically trying to get the rest of your hair matched up with the length of your centerpiece, your guide piece. Also, you have to angle it at a certain angle every time, or you might not get that layered look, which is kind of like out to the side, not straight up, not straight out to the side, but kind of somewhere in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera, but just so y'all know, like, I'm legit, this is a lot of inches of hair that I'm trimming off, but it had no shape. So I will come back with the final result. So these are the final results, but don't get too excited. I want to get into a couple of details first so you can understand the process. So this is my hair before the cut. It's style or whatever. And if you notice, there are a lot of like pieces of longer hair hanging over. It kind of looks like I got an undercut because I had a lot of single strand knots in the back section of my hair. My hair curls, the tight is there. It's a pain to deal with a lot of the time, so I had to stay up on that area. But as you can see here, this is directly after I cut my hair, and I was like, oh, okay. I mean, my hair looks kind of funky when it's wet anyways. I just don't know. It curls tighter on this side is looser. It's just always a freaking gamble with me. But if you can see, I had a little piece of longer hair hanging from the back, and I was like, okay, I probably messed this cut up. So I did go back in with the shears again, and I trimmed it even more. And this is my hair now, and you can see it has a lot more volume, and I feel like this is the most definition I'm gonna get for the amount of volume that I want. So I'm happy. I kind of feel like I've just rewind myself back like 2 years, because that's what my hair has been this length. It's been that long. But I'm happy, and I'm not gonna lie, I did my hair a couple of times because I could not get the look I wanted, and I'm trying to see the products that I need to be using to guarantee that I get that volume instead of it being weighed down. Of course, when my hair, before I cut it, it was curly or whatever, but it just was lifeless to me, and I'm feeling this. No lie, the only thing that I don't like is I feel like I'm back at that stage, like where it's awkward in a high bun. Exhibit B if you may. It's just I feel like before it was longer, so it was a look, and then, you know, when it's shorter, it's also a look, but I feel like it's awkward. I feel like I'm back at that awkward phase. But at this point, I feel like it's just the sacrifice that I had to make for the volume, the look that I wanted to go for. Hopefully when it grows out, it'll grow. It won't just droop down again and be lifeless, or I'm gonna be cutting it again and again and again. So what you think? You think I cut too much, or you think I could have went shorter, or shorter than short? Because I can do either one. I mean, I can't grow it back, but you see what I'm saying. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning into my video. If you have not hit the subscribe button, what are you doing? Why are you watching? Why are you here? No, I'm just playing. But anyways, thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button on the way out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.